is my horse grade app demo. I'm interested in analyzing the race he ran, what time he got, and if he finished first or how many lengths he lost by. First one is 109.40. With 6 furlongs, and the distance of the race is 7. See what he grades out at. 103.05. Great time. The estimated time is 121.31. The second one is 56.30. To add this one, you need the 0 in front with a colon. Everyone has to have a colon in a period and 7 characters long. 156.30. You lost by 3 1/4 lengths. Put that in decimal, 3.75. The race you're analyzing was 5 furlongs. The distance is 7. He grades at a 104.80. That's perfect time. I mean, with no slowing down for distances. It's just an estimated time. Third is 7 furlongs, 122.3. He won the race, so you can leave lengths lost by 0. Don't need nothing in there. And hit calculate. 101.82. 122.30. And the last one is we'll see that you can use even mile distances. This time isn't very good, but I'm just using it for demo purposes. 138.20. It's 8 furlongs, the distance is 7, and he lost by 8. Calculate. 95. He graded the lousy. He would have got a 127.4 time, but he didn't run a good race, and if that was a good time, it would reflect on that. Okay, thank you.